All right, in this video, we're gonna learn all about how to get your visitors' attention. Now that they're on your Instagram, you're actually gonna learn how to say, hey, look at me. I want you to follow or engage with my content that I've posted. And at the very end, I'm gonna give you a special gift that I'm offering right now that can actually help you boost your engagement up as well. Hi there, my name is Christina Spoor, and welcome back to my channel where we talk all about social media, vlogging, and motivation to help you grow your business online. So make sure you subscribe if that's something that would benefit you, because I release a video every Friday. Okay, so one way that you can actually get your visitors' attention that they're on your account is to have an amazing bio. So by this, I mean, don't necessarily just put your hobbies or interests, because sure, people are interested in that, but think about it. If you're actually providing a service, like a product or service that you're selling, when someone lands on your profile, you want them to see it and be like, okay, I want to follow this person because I know I'm going to get this from them, or see content like this from them, or it's going to benefit me this way. Because you don't necessarily follow people to just follow them. You follow people that actually you want to follow and that you want to see in the feed when it pops up. So think about that when you are actually land on someone's profile. So think of the people that you followed. When you land on their profile, what type of bios have you seen that have been like, okay, I want to follow this person? So you can try different things out. Over the years, I've tried different profile or different bios out, and I've switched it up. So what you'll see now on my Instagram is not what you see what you saw maybe 6 months or a year ago, because I switched it up and I actually refined my message even more. Because right now I'm actually helping people specifically, and I'm focusing all on Instagram. So that's where I changed my bio to, so when people land on it, they know right now it's all about Instagram. And sure, I do still let people know I talk about, social media, vlogging, and business, but right now it's Instagram. That's something I want to highlight, because a lot of people that I've talked to and worked with don't know how to use Instagram necessarily. And so I'm focusing in on that and teaching people how to do that. So when they land and follow, they will follow for that reason and helping grow their business online. For you, you have to think about what you're offering, what you're selling, when someone lands on your profile, what would they want to know? It's like, okay, I want to follow you. And you can do this in lots of ways. Remember, one thing I do teach in the Instagram course is I have a whole section on bios and calls to action. And you actually want to remember that in the first 3 lines of it is what is seen. So if you write past it, because you can have, I got 150 characters. I'll have to look that up again for you. But if you write past a certain amount, that learn more is actually covering up what you wrote. So the first 3 lines are crucial. That's where you actually want to put in the juice and the meat of it. And then on the learn more, you can add more to it. Keep that in mind. That's a little tip that I put inside the course, but I shared that with you in here. So, but if you want to learn more about that, you can always check out the Instagram Growth and Momentum course. As of right now, it's only $27, but the price will increase in October when I do something special for you, but we'll talk about that later. In the Instagram bio, you can also put emojis, because that's something that will actually, break it up and help people maybe read it a little easier or catch their attention on a certain topic. Okay, so that is just one way that you can catch your visitors' attention, is through the bio section. There's lots of other ways you can do that, but this is one way that you can do that. This is actually the second step in the 4-step Instagram process. I actually have a PDF that has the 4-step Instagram process with a bonus video inside for you, so you can learn it all together to help you grow your Instagram account for your business and actually find your ideal customers. I'll leave the link down below for you. You can download that PDF, watch the video, and start growing your account. All right, so now that you know the bio section is key, you actually want to mess around with that a little bit. See how people are viewing it. See if people are clicking on your links, because I prompt people to click the link to go actually download the PDF. Since that's what I'm offering right now on my Instagram, I actually prompt people to go download that. On my link bio, I actually have different links to my YouTube channel, to my blog, and sharing this PDF. And I actually, inside the Instagram Growth Momentum course, I teach you how to create your own link bio tree. so you don't have to go use another service to do that, and you can create your own and customize it. And I also have a template inside, so you can just simply upload the template to the website and enter the photos and the links and stuff in there for you. Okay, so download that PDF and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video next week, which we'll be talking about creating interest. Now that you got their attention, we're going to talk about creating interest so that way they stay on your page and look around and actually potentially click on your link or message you and buy from you, things like that. Okay, so subscribe so you don't miss that video. And if you like this video and found it very informative and helped you grow your Instagram account, make sure you screenshot it and actually share it on your Instagram account and tag me in it. This way you can actually share it with others who could benefit from it as well. All right, have a wonderful week and day, and I will see you in next week's video.